Here's how to add funds to your Robinhood account. So there's two different ways that you can add funds, a bank account or a debit card. If you go to your account drop down and then click on transfers, inside of here as you scroll down, you'll see all your linked accounts. If you don't have any linked, then you'll have to add a new account to add funds. Now to actually add funds, when we go to transfers, there's a transfer money option right here. So we click on that, and then you're going to choose the amount you want to transfer. Let's say $5 or more, or whatever you want. Choose the bank account, choose the Robinhood account that money is going to transfer to, and then choose the frequency. So just once would be just a one-time transfer. But you could set up recurring transfers or add funds recurringly just by setting up weekly, twice a month, etc. Now you would review the transfer here. You can ignore any of these numbers. They're going to be different for you, like the deposit limit, etc. I have numbers kind of masked here on the browser. But when we click review transfer, it's basically going to say, hey, $5 will be deducted from your bank account or pulled from your debit card over the next several days. And it may take up to a few days for it to transfer. I don't know what that number is because I have it hidden, but it says 5. So then I can hit OK, transfer $5. And then $5 will transfer from that account over to Robinhood. Now, you might be eligible for instant transfers or no fee instant transfers, so you can get your money right away. You may not be eligible for no fee instant transfers. So I may want to do that, or maybe I can just continue with the standard transfer. In the past, that's what I've always done. Just continue with the standard transfer and just let the money come in over the next couple of days because I don't necessarily need it immediately. Now, the other way that you can add funds is when you buy stock, it will have to add the funds, and you kind of approve that as you're purchasing the stock. And then once the funds are in there, or with whatever usable cash or usable funds you have on Robinhood, it'll basically use those funds to purchase the stock and then transfer the money for you over the next couple of days. So I can continue with a standard transfer, and that's going to transfer those $5 from my bank account to Robinhood. After that, it's going to give me the deposit initiated page and basically say it's going to take $5 from my bank account, and then it's going to basically, give me a day when it's probably going to be available to trade with or withdraw. And all of these numbers are a little bit different, but you'll see the actual estimation when you go transfer or add funds. We can continue from here. It tries to tell us that, hey, instant deposits are available. So if you want to use that, you can, or you can click this X in the upper right and it'll take you back to your transfer page. That's how you can add funds on Robinhood.